Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to boost your FPS in Valorant. Firstly, set all graphic settings to low and turn off VSync. For resolution, use your screen's native resolution with the maximum refresh rate. Next, limit FPS to your monitor's refresh rate to reduce screen tearing. And turn off Show Corpses under General Settings for better performance. And also you need to turn off Windows Game Mode. Go to Settings and search for Game Mode. Toggle it on or off depending on which boosts FPS more effectively, but generally turning it off will boost your FPS. These tweaks should help you achieve smoother gameplay in Valorant. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Now you can try these fixes on low-end PCs and try launch Valorant. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.